Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of handmade wooden coat racks design ideas for the hidden gem of modern home decor as warm, stylish, sustainable design. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In today's world of sleek interiors and minimalist designs, the handmade wooden coat rack has emerged as a quiet yet powerful statement piece in modern home decor. More than just a practical accessory for hanging coats or hats, it embodies a philosophy that values craftsmanship, sustainability, and connection to nature. In an age when mass-produced furniture floods the market, the handmade wooden coat rack stands apart, an emblem of authenticity and artistry that brings both warmth and character to any space. Its charm lies not only in its function but in its form, in how its natural textures and handcrafted details turn an ordinary item into something extraordinary. The significance of these humble pieces stretches far beyond aesthetics. They reflect a deeper cultural shift toward conscious living, cost-effective production, and the timeless beauty of natural materials. The handmade wooden coat rack represents a return to simplicity in design, a rejection of the cold uniformity that often defines industrial manufacturing. Each rack, carved or assembled by hand, carries the touch of its maker, the marks of real effort, and the individuality that only handcrafted items can possess. This authenticity resonates strongly with modern homeowners who seek to infuse personality and soul into their spaces. A handmade coat rack is never just a fixture, it becomes a story, a meeting point between nature's raw form and human creativity. Whether mounted on the wall or standing elegantly in an entryway, its presence adds warmth and groundedness, turning the simple act of hanging a coat into a small, satisfying ritual. It is this emotional connection to natural craftsmanship that makes wooden coat racks so relevant to the modern decor movement. Incorporating wooden elements into interior design creates a balance between form and feeling. Wood carries a tactile and visual warmth that synthetic materials simply cannot replicate. Its grain patterns, tones, and natural imperfections bring character and life into otherwise sterile environments. In contemporary homes dominated by glass, concrete, and metal, the inclusion of a handmade wooden coat rack introduces softness and comfort, bridging the gap between nature and architecture. It invites touch, evokes nostalgia, and quietly reminds us of our relationship with the natural world. This harmony between material and meaning is what modern designers increasingly seek, spaces that feel not only beautiful but also alive. A wooden coat rack might seem small, yet its presence contributes to this larger philosophy of biophilic design, a design approach that integrates natural elements to promote well-being, calmness, and creativity. From a practical standpoint, handmade wooden coat racks are also cost-effective to produce, especially for small-scale artisans and woodworking enthusiasts. The production process often requires minimal machinery and can utilize leftover or reclaimed wood, making it both economically and environmentally sustainable. While large furniture pieces demand heavy investment and logistics, coat racks offer a manageable scale that allows for creativity without high costs. For artisans, they represent an accessible entry point into woodworking entrepreneurship, a way to create products that are both beautiful and functional while keeping expenses low. This makes them ideal for craft fairs, online shops, or local home decor boutiques. For buyers, handmade wooden coat racks offer exceptional value, a long-lasting, stylish piece of functional art at a price that remains affordable compared to mass-produced alternatives. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The cost-effectiveness of production does not compromise quality. Rather, it enhances it by encouraging thoughtful craftsmanship and resourcefulness. Each handmade rack can be customized in design, size, and finish, tailored to suit individual preferences and the unique aesthetic of a home. Using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced timber reduces material costs and environmental impact, while handcrafted assembly ensures durability and longevity. Unlike plastic or metal alternatives that may warp, bend, or break over time, wooden racks grow more beautiful with age, gaining patina and character. In this way, they embody the very essence of sustainable living, products made to last, designed with care, and respectful of the planet's resources. Their versatility is another reason they've become a favorite in modern decor. A handmade wooden coat rack fits seamlessly into almost any interior theme, be it rustic farmhouse, minimalist Scandinavian, bohemian, or contemporary chic. Its natural tones complement various color palettes, while its simple silhouette adds both elegance and function. In an entryway, it welcomes guests with warmth. In a bedroom, it provides effortless organization, and in a hallway, it becomes an understated art piece that enhances the overall aesthetic. This adaptability is part of what makes it so appealing in the design world. It's timeless, unobtrusive, and yet undeniably stylish. It proves that good design doesn't have to shout, it can whisper softly and still leave an impression. The significance of handmade wooden coat racks also lies in their emotional and psychological impact. Beyond their decorative and practical roles, they remind us of a slower, more intentional way of living. Each piece tells a story of craftsmanship, of time spent shaping, sanding, and finishing by hand. In a world of instant gratification, this deliberate creation process feels grounding. It reconnects us to traditions of making and to the beauty of imperfection. A coat rack might seem like a small detail in a home, but it carries the weight of values that define modern sustainable living: mindfulness, simplicity, and appreciation for natural artistry. In choosing such pieces, homeowners express not only their taste, but also their principles. Moreover, the modern home decor trend increasingly values eco-conscious design, and handmade wooden furniture plays a central role in that shift. With growing awareness of environmental issues, people are turning away from cheap, disposable furnishings in favor of durable, renewable options. Responsibly sourced wood, when crafted by hand, embodies this ideal. It reduces waste, supports local artisans, and contributes to circular economies where resources are reused rather than discarded. Every handmade wooden coat rack crafted from reclaimed timber or sustainably harvested wood becomes a small act of preservation, a quiet contribution to a more responsible future. In addition to sustainability and beauty, there's a sense of balance that wooden coat racks bring to modern interiors. The clean lines of contemporary design sometimes risk feeling too cold or impersonal, but wood introduces warmth without clutter. Its organic textures soften the sharpness of modern materials, while its neutral tones harmonize with nearly any decor scheme. Thoughtful, stylish, and connected to nature. As trends continue to evolve, the allure of the handmade will only deepen. In a future defined by technology and speed, pieces like these will remain treasured for their simplicity and soul. They remind us that home is not just where we live, it's a reflection of how we live. A handmade wooden coat rack may seem like a modest object, but its impact resonates far beyond its size. It brings warmth where coldness once lingered, character where uniformity prevailed, and meaning where mere function used to be. In doing so, it transforms not only walls and hallways, but the very way we experience our homes, balancing modern sensibility with timeless natural beauty. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked handmade wooden coat racks design ideas for the hidden gem of modern home decor as warm, stylish, sustainable design. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.